Buenos días, julio 10 del 2023. Y bueno, la noche de anoche, ¿qué les digo? Camping en caso de emergencia, pero nada, se pasó bien, el clima estuvo muy bueno. Y nos vamos a levantar para coger carretera y seguir turisteando por acá en Noruega. Muchas gracias, sigan el canal, no olviden suscribirse y hoy tenemos otro día de gran aventuras. Julio 10 del 2023. ¡Yes! Bueno, la verdad que esta vista impresionante hoy día, no sé ni qué decir, la verdad estoy como sin palabras. Muy poco hago camping, es la primera vez que hago. Aquí amanecimos con este ruido del río arrullándome toda la noche y la verdad que no hizo mucho frío. Así que son las 8 de la mañana. Vamos a ver si salimos a las 9. Así que vamos a darle duro de retorno adelante. Vamos a bañarnos, a arreglarnos y a disfrutar de este día. Alright, so we're ready to go. And one thing we didn't check yesterday before we put the tent down, and I got this rock right here. But those were the rocks that did not make me sleep very well, but we had a good time, and that's what it matters. The bike is all packed up again, all ready to go. An excellent day for riding, and we're going to Kristiansand. I think that's what it's called. We're going to do the Atlantic Highway, and we're going to enjoy all the views between the fjords. And just enjoy the day. Let's see how far we go. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. What an amazing view this is. It's just stunning. That's the road we were coming into. Eres Lina. Lina, ¿cómo vas? ¿Qué tal? Muy lindo, ¿ah?
Qué vista tan preciosa.
Tan precioso. La verdad que no le da uno ganas ni de irse. Así que bueno, este es el mismo fjord que estábamos temprano, que pasamos la noche. La verdad que un rato muy increíble que pasamos. Que vamos a seguir. Waterfall. You know what that means? Yes! Alright, and this is our ferry number 1 going to Linje. This thing was heavy. So from here, about what, 25 cars maybe, 30? Somewhere around that area. Between campers and regular boats and stuff like that. found ourselves on the second stop of the day, which is called Gudbrandsjuvet, and some waterfalls. So it's hot. It's very hot today. The weather has been amazing for us. This is the kind of weather that we like. Even though it's hot, we'll take it anytime over rain. So we're here, and we'll see how late are we going to ride today. Stop here at Trollstigen stop is a viewpoint, and I happened to meet Dag Robin. I said it right. And he's from Norwegian. Like I was telling him, we were supposed to be here for 2 weeks. Now we're going to be here for the whole month. Why? Because it's a beautiful country that they own. And we've been here riding, respecting every single thing that is all around. Bike life, Norway. He gave me his card. He says that if any problems arises, just give him a call anytime, any day. You know what? This means a lot to me. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Norway.
He was recommended in places and stuff like that. But tell us about how is the motorcycle bike life over here in Norway?
It's really good. It's after the pandemic, the sales of motorbike has exploded. So it's really COVID friendly to ride a bike.
It is.
So the sales has gone up like 16-17% in Norway. And we have problems getting new bikes in the country, so everybody can ride. And you see the roads, it's winding and it's up and it's down. And it's a lifestyle when you're riding bikes in Norway.
Not only that, is the most challenging roads you guys have, because the roads are very small. And it's like 15 meters from one end to the other, and you have
the buses.
And you have the buses, you got all the traffic. So I mean, let me tell you.
You're gonna see on the video the roads from Hav to Åndalsnes. It's downhill and winding. So
yeah, we did that other the fjord. We did that one. That one was pretty good.
It's the same here. So
it's the same. So I mean, we've been enjoying, and thank you. It just happens, you know. We're just here having fun, bikers.
It's the bike life.
It's the bike life. This is what it's all about: respect and having respect for everybody else, and that's it. Places that they recommend, the locals recommend. That's what you do. So. With this, I wanted to thank you.
I give you a shout out on my Facebook.
I noticed it that it's a lot of people from all over the world here, and that's what you guys have here. Got bikes from all over. I mean, all over Europe. You know what it is? It's only one language, biker world. You pull up in your bike, you say hello, and instantly you're friends.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy the midnight sun in
We will. All right, so we're at the Trollstigen Look at this water. Look at this water. How clear this water is. Wow.
Mira, hay peces.
¿Dónde?
Míralos.
¿Dónde? Ay, sí. Y en ese frío. All right, we were supposed to spend here 20 minutes, so we'll be here over an hour talking to people and getting to know the culture, meeting bikers from all over the world. And check this out, the weather is starting to get rainy. We're gonna go towards the Atlantic and we're gonna get going that way, and we're gonna run the Trollstigen.
Driving through the misty air, Trollstigen take us there. Winding roads, hearts interplay, lost in dreams we drift away. Chasing shadows, night takes hold, whispers of stories yet untold, glowing lights and hidden sighs underneath the northern skies. Feel the waves, they softly roll, flowing deep within our soul. Mountains guard the ancient ways, through the valleys echoes sway. Glimmers on the icy streams, ripple faintly through our dreams. In the silence hear the call of solitude where shadows fall. Entwine our fate. In the dusk we hesitate, but in truth we find our place, lost in this enchanted space. Glowing lights and hidden sighs underneath the northern skies. Feel the waves that softly roll, flowing deep within the soul.
All right, so first rain. Now we're gonna have to wait a little bit, see what happens. Safety first. First shower in Norway. It's not raining that hard, but you know what? We just wait a little bit. Even with rain, this place looks beautiful. Check this out. Check these waterfalls from this mountain. Wow, man. It's just stunning. It looks like a movie. Look at all these waterfalls. Man, oh man. We didn't see that many when we were coming this way. The view is just stunning, let me tell you. And it's drizzling. Now it's not raining hard anymore, but we're going down that way and it's pouring down. All right, so we have decided to get going. Let's hit the road, baby. Bueno, mi gente, I really didn't want to come all the way up here, but my co-pilot over here says let's do it. It's still early. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and guess what? We're at the beginning of the Atlantic Avenue or road or whatever it's called, and we are getting ready. We are so excited. Finally here. We are finally here after watching so many YouTube videos, after watching so many pictures, after watching so many people doing it. We are doing it. We are doing it. Yes! Oh my. I'm the only one screaming out here. Nobody's out here. And we came to this intersection, and we think that we are going that way to Kristiansand. So for now, we're gonna get going. Like everybody says, you get all kinds of weather here in Norway, and we did. But guess what? It doesn't really matter. I mean, as long as you enjoy what you're doing, you ride in the rain, in the cold, in the heat. It doesn't matter. That's what life is all about. And this right here is priceless to me. I mean, it's places that I always even think I was gonna come over here, and God had blessed me with a job that I'm able to, and a family and a support that I'm able to be here and show it to you in my own manner, the way that I enjoy it, riding my motorcycles on 2 wheels. So for now, we're gonna keep going. Bueno, mi gente, y llegamos a Kristiansand. It's a small little town close to the highway on the Atlantic Highway. What can I say about the highway? It's a short bridge. I thought it was going to be more of an excitement, which I really did enjoy it, but it was raining. As you see previously, I was so excited about going through it. We stayed at this hotel, which is real nice. It cost me $80 a night. The room is nice and clean. The guy was very helpful, and he gave us a dryer because our rain gear was soaking wet. This is the name of the place, Kristiansand. I recommend the place. The parking is over there. It's free from 9 to 9, so we don't have to pay anything, and the bike is safe. And with this, I say good night. It's around 9 o'clock at nighttime, and tomorrow we got a long day. It's been an exciting day, as every day has been. and I really enjoy this country. It's just amazing country to ride. The roads, the people, we met some really good people today, and I give it up to them, and we'll see you tomorrow. Wait for tomorrow's video and stay tuned. Thank you for being there and watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy every single day as much as I am doing it. For now, good night.